Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BDCI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. Think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk about areas of resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning if you're saying, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above 9 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 9, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the bulls can somehow manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that, be down here at the low when the price went through that kind of crazy little dip right there. And that's at 0.075. So 0.075 and 0.09, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, looking at things from a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line down here comes into play. The 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, because I'm well aware that the current price is up there and that line is way down there. But as the name implies, this line is going to move itself higher and higher as time goes by. So if you're somebody that's saying, look, Clay, how do I just gauge the health of the overall move? This right here being defined as quote unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that purple line, then the line is, or excuse me, the price is dictating and showing that the bulls are in full control. I mean, price or that line goes up, price stays above that line, bulls are in total ownage of the chart. Don't think ownage is a word, but you get what I mean. Again, preferably speaking, staying above 0.09, that would be a huge sign of power, but from the grand scheme of it all, stay above that purple line and the bulls 100% own the chart. In regards to where the sellers are currently hanging out, that's just simply where the party stopped today, up there at 10.5 cents. So that'll be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, focus on building higher lows, staying above that purple line from the bigger picture, and then you can just sit back and let the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.